What if I don't want to mark the boards like a traditional other type of joinery where I use my eye? I want to speed up the operation and I want to do multiple mortises all the way down the run of the board. Well, that's why we came out with the cross stops. Okay, and you'll notice right here this scale right here, and what this is an additional pin. So where that pin goes when this is attached to the machine is right into that mortise. So I can do a continuation of the mortises, and I have one for each side. Now, they're attached with this little dovetail, and it goes right in here, and it's pinned right here in the base. Always put these on a flat surface, and I'm going to lock it back. And I'm also going to put this one on, you'll see, flat base, just like this, and lock it back. Now, the spacing, you can set them up from 4 inches to 8 inches apart. That way there you can bring them in and out and have perfect spacing on either side. They're very accurate. Also, remember this, they also can be used with the Domino XL. Okay, but to set them up for the XL, you're going to see where it says DF 500 here, because the distance from the base of the 500 to the center of the bit is 10 millimeters. Well, on the XL, from the base to the center is 15 millimeters. So what you have to do is you have to reverse these. And at the very top here, you'll see DF 700. So I'll take this and rotate it around, and now those pins are perfectly 15 millimeters in line with the center of the Domino XL bit.